Are you ready to learn how to say the time? Let's start.
An analog clock has two hands. A short hand shows hours, and a long hand shows minutes. Let's have a look.
What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock.
When the long hand is pointing at 6, we should say it's 1/2 It's 1/2.
What time is it? It's 1:30. It's 1:30. What time is it? It's 3:30. It's 3:30. What time is it? It's 6:30. It's 6:30. What time is it? It's 9:30. It's 9:30. What time is it? It's 12:30. It's 12:30.
When the long hand is pointing at 3, we should say it's 1/4. It's 1/4.
What time is it? It's 2:15. It's 2:15. What time is it? It's 4:15. It's 4:15. What time is it? It's 5:15. It's 5:15. What time is it? It's 7:15. It's 7:15. What time is it? It's 10:15. It's 10:15.
When the long hand is pointing at 9, we should say it's 1:45. It's 1:45.
What time is it? It's 1:45. It's 1:45. What time is it? It's 2:45. It's 2:45. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 7:45. It's 7:45. What time is it? It's 11:15. It's 11:15. What time is it? It's 8:05. It's 8:05. What time is it? It's 12:10. It's 12:10. What time is it? It's 3:20. It's 3:20. What time is it? It's 7:25. It's 7:25. What time is it? It's 5:05. It's 5:05. What time is it? It's 10:04. It's 10:04. What time is it? It's 2:50. It's 2:50. What time is it? It's 8:25. It's 8:25. And now it's your turn. What time is it? It's 10:15. Excellent. What time is it? It's 2:30. Well done. What time is it? It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 5:06. What time is it? It's 9:25. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.